Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the hair treatment. So yeah, I did this treatment from past 6 months. You can also try this treatment. Most of my friends are asking your hair is turns into a very smooth. Seriously guys, if you do these treatments regularly like once in a week, you can get a smooth, shiny and black hair. Trust me. Let's see how to do this treatment.
Yeah, let's get started. Take a rice and cleanse it well. Here I am filtering the rice water with the help of hand and fingers. Here I took 1 cup of rice water and 2 sweet limes. We are going to use the skin of this sweet lime. We can use a orange also, but in this season I didn't get a orange. Orange season was ended, so I'm using a sweet lime skin. The vitamins and nutrients are same as like orange. And take 1 jar or bottle. I'm transferring this rice water into that jar, and I'm putting this sweet lime peel into that rice water. Now we are going to do a fermentation process for at least 1 week. You can also do this fermentation process for 7 to 15 days, but I'm doing for a 1 week. I'm adding some more water to that jar and gonna close the lid very tightly. In case if you got any fungal in this process, then don't use it. Now shake well and keep it in a dry, cool place. Don't disturb it for 2 days. Today is day 1 for this fermentation process. I am going to keep this aside. And this is day 2. Some rice particles are rested at the bottom of the bottle, so I'm going to shake this well. I'm just playing with this shaking process, so you guys please shake well. This image is on day 3. I didn't took any video on that day, and this one is on day 4. It smells very superb. It smells like orange. Finally, day 7. Today I'm going to apply this rice water on my hair and scalp. So I transfer this into a spray bottle, and I'm going to add castor oil, cause basically this rice water keeps our scalp dry. So I'm adding a 1 tablespoon of castor oil. It gives a nourishes to scalp and hair. Now I'm going to spray this fermented water to all over my hair and scalp like this way, which I'm showing in this video. Let's see some benefits of this sweet limes. Actually, sweet lime is rich in vitamin C, minerals and copper. Sweet lime and orange helps in increasing the smoothness of your hair. It can help in making the hair strong naturally, and also it improves the texture and quality of our hair. Now let's see some benefits of rice water. Actually, rice water gives a shine and volume, hair growth and a healthy scalp. The rice water contains ammonia acids and vitamins, so it increases the super duper speed of hair growth, and it prevents from graying, and it gives a super shine to our hair. Now I'm taking this rice water and transfer this into a small mug, cause I'm going to dip my hair into that rice water. Here I'm dipping all my hair into that mug and leave it for a 20 to 30 seconds. You can also use a direct rice water without any fermentation. That will also give a super benefits to your hair. It creates a new follicles for new hair growth. Here I am squeezing excess water and going to make a high bun. Yeah, I want to say one thing that was very important. Before you start this treatment, make sure you should do this treatment at least for 2 months, cause it is not a quick fix solution to a hair growth. So if you do this for at least 2 months, then only it will be effective. So yeah, here I'm making a high bun with this rice water. Now I'm going to leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. After that I'm going to wash my hair with a mild shampoo. So yeah, let's see how the result was.
Seriously guys, if you use this treatment regularly, like once in a week, you can definitely get a smooth, silky, voluminous and black hair. But you have to use this treatment at least once in a week for 3 months. Yeah guys, I think this is very helpful for you, and also this is not very tough task to do to your hair, and this is very easy way. Yeah, don't waste your rice water. And guys, bye. Let's meet you on another video. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Let's see you on another video. Bye bye. Take care.